Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hi everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto, and today we have a 2013 Toyota Camry in the shop, and I'm going to show you the location of the air filter housing and how to remove one and replace it. So once you open your hood, you can see the airlet hose going into the throttle body, and you've got a cover here, 2 guide pins back here, but over here is where you're going to pull these 2 little tabs off. They're extended nicely. Toyota raised them up so you don't have to dig your hand down deep. They're spring clips, so you just push it this way, push it that way. Then you can grab the cover, pull out those 2 guide pins, and just lift it up. You don't have to come completely out unless you need to do some deep cleaning in there. And there is the air filter. Looks like someone's already replaced it. It's fairly clean, fairly new. I like to check it in between, see how much we got. We have a little bit of debris sitting in there, nothing too major. You can always take this out and tap it. Let some of the sand come out if there is any. That's in good shape. To replace it, you lift up the lid. This one happens to be almost a perfect square style, so a little bit of a rectangle. Line it up. You always want it to sit flush. Make sure it's nice and flush all the way around. You're gonna guide those 2 pins in the back there. Nice and flush. Hold the cover down, and with one finger you just push that spring right onto the clip. Make sure that all your hoses are still connected after. Sometimes when you move a air filter cover housing, the actual vacuum lines like this one could just fall right off. Then you're gonna go down the road and you're gonna engine light. It's pretty common to see certain companies take your air filter off every time you go for an oil change, and these fall off, and if they don't pay attention, you will get an engine light.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.